The challenges for looking after some of these cars at the event is some of them came in lovely enclosed trailers, so they're nice and clean already. They just need a few fingerprints, a bit of the glass cleaning done. But some of them came on open trailers and it's been very cold. There's lots of de-icing salt on the road which contains antifreeze, and it's quite actually difficult to get off because it's quite smeary. So what we're doing is we are using our green glass cleaner as a waterless wash, which helps break down the de-icing salt, remove all that, and then we're using the detailing sprays, Brilliant Shine Detailer and Ultra Slick Ceramic Detailer, depending on what we're working on. If it's high gloss paint, we're using Ultra Slick. If it's wraps and stuff, we're using Brilliant Shine Detailer, and that's removing the smears, giving it gloss and just adding protection for the next few days so we can keep on top of that to maintain the cars. At the moment we're working on Steve Baggsy's cars. We have the Navara R here, which is incredible. And we have his brand new GT86 build, which is so far 0 mile, and that's very special. So we're enjoying cleaning these cars, and obviously the rest of the cars which we're cleaning as well, which are incredibly special. There are some incredible cars here at Autosport 2024. It really is a collection of who's who in motorsport, and the cars is absolutely incredible. We have, a massive mixture from stock cars. We've got time attack cars, a few of the Formula cars as well. We've got Mark McCann's Ken Block Hoonigan Fiesta behind. Still wearing the Sonax livery, which is really cool. And obviously our job is to look after these cars. This is the motorsport paddock. These cars are all going to be going across the stage at different points during the day, and it's our job to keep them clean. And there really is a crazy mixture. We got little carts, which is really cool. The new McLaren race car, which is pretty mental. Actually something really cool is the Audi R8 DTM car, which obviously was Sonax sponsored, so this has Sonax livery on it. We've got some Le Mans cars. It really is a massive mixture of cars. So we move along, we've got Le Mans, some WRC cars and rally cars, TCR Leon, and then obviously the cream of the crop is the Haas F1 car, which is on the end, which is obviously incredibly special to be able to, even be near that car, let alone be touching it and cleaning it. And obviously we have to be very careful. We're going to be looking after these cars for the next 4 days. We've invited some of our DTs for each day, so just giving them something back by inviting them along. They can help out cleaning the cars and chilling out at the event, because it is a crazy event. So the next 4 days we're going to look after these cars. So this is obviously day one, so we need to get cracking.
I think you might be right. I'm thinking maybe I'm way past the point of no return. I'm running traffic lights to spend a little time looking into your eyes. Swear I've been aching, I've been waiting for you all my life. This must be what love feels like.
Hey, so it's day 2 here at Autosport. We are back in the main stage paddock. We've got all these pretty incredible cars here that we're looking after. So we're just going back round and making sure that they're clean, ready to be rolled out for all the interviews with very important people. We've got Pete here from South Coast Detailing today. He's helping us look after these cars, and I think he's loving it. I mean, he's currently, yeah, that's the face of a man who loves it. He's currently cleaning a Hulkenberg's Haas F1 car. Yeah, he's definitely enjoying that. So we're going to move on to the McLaren Solos GT, which is about to go across in a minute, and a few of the other cars. And yeah, whatever else we can find. I'll catch you in a bit. We're now in the live action pit area. We have Steve Bagsy's cars here, the PS13 and the GTR. Just giving them a quick clean over before they go out into live action in literally 10 minutes, so we have to be quite quick. There is so much cool stuff down here, from like autograss cars, stadium trucks. Luke Woodham's here with his 2 crazy cars as well. There's a motorbike going out. Yeah, it's absolutely mental down here. There's some serious machinery. We're going to try and get some footage for you, you can see. So I need to get these cars clean, so I'm going to get on. Okay, so over here we have the Sonax Drift Lounge, which has been quite cool that we brought to Autosport. We obviously got the Sonax Transporter behind. We've got Louis Edwards' E36 BMW, which was Drift Pro champion last year. This is an incredibly quick car. It's been here. We've got Dave Baston's AE86, which is obviously very popular on this channel. And why not? It deserves it. It's bright and it's cool. But yeah, Dave was 3rd overall this year. You may have seen in the previous video, and he had a great year, so that was fantastic. But that's looking great. Over here we've got the main Sonax stand, which is obviously where we've been selling and everything. And over here is the Anglo-American Oil stand, which some of you may or may not know is our UK distributor for Sonax. And obviously we have Axe's Corvette, which is our car that is built to advertise the brands. It's for promotion, so you kind of need something quite wild and crazy for that, and ticks all the boxes. So it's a fantastic car, you know, up the hill at Goodwood, making lots of smoke, making lots of noise. It's absolutely incredible. It gets lots of attention wherever it goes. But yeah, as I said, Anglo-American Oil Company have been distributors for 3 years now, I think, and they're really starting to push Sonax in the UK, which is great. It's something that we really needed to do. But obviously they have other brands. Sunoco Race Fuels is one of their main brands, which is what they sort of started with and one of their most popular brands. They have Speed Socket, they have Driven Racing Oil as well, which is another big brand for them. And obviously Sonax, which is also a big brand for them. That's pretty much it for this video and this show. It's been a long 5 days that I've been here, 4-day show. I can't even do the right numbers with my fingers, that's how tired I am. I've cleaned, probably 20 or 30 cars every single day. I'm too tired to even do the maths on that, so please help me with it. It's a lot of car cleaning. I'm incredibly tired. We've had some great detailers helping us out that you may have seen in some of the videos. So I want to say thank you to Rich from Superior Valeting, who was here on Thursday, Will from WDF Valeting and Detailing, who's came in and helped us, James from Zero Boundaries Detailing that was here today, and Pete from South Coast Detailing, who was here with us. Thank you to them because they've really helped. You know, I was trying to take all the credit there actually for cleaning all these cars, but no, actually probably some of them are saying, no, you did nothing, you just watched me. So yeah, I'm going to take away that credit. They helped me out, so I shouldn't be so tired, so I'm going to stop moaning. But thanks for watching this video. Please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, let us know in the comments. We've got lots more content coming up, so don't miss out, and I will see you in the next video.